The seed you plant today could feed your soul tomorrow. Let me take you back. It's a rainy morning. I'm standing on my tiny balcony staring down at a single pot. Inside it is one confused-looking tomato plant, slouched over like a teenager dragged to a family dinner. The soil is soggy, the leaves are yellowing, and I swear that tomato gave me a look like, why did you even bother? That was day one of my gardening journey. Now, I'm harvesting kale like a warrior, handing out homegrown cucumbers like sacred gifts and laughing in the face of store-bought lettuce. And if I can do it, me, a former cereal plant killer with a certified brown thumb, you can too. Here are the 5 game-changing, soul-nourishing, garden-transforming tips that flipped everything for me. These aren't just gardening hacks, they're ancient secrets dressed in modern soil. 1. Start small, win big. Don't try to grow a jungle on your first day. Plant 1 leaf, win 1 battle. Begin with just 3 to 5 vegetables you genuinely enjoy eating. What's the point of growing eggplant if it's not even invited to your dinner plate? If you love salads, start with lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. If stir-fries are your jam, go for green beans and bell peppers. The VMAX secret. Use containers or raised beds instead of digging up your yard. They're easier to manage, keep weeds at bay, and your lower back will sing your praises. Why it works. Fewer plants mean more focus. You'll make fewer mistakes, learn faster, and celebrate your first harvest sooner. And nothing feels quite like the magic of pulling your very own carrot from the earth, like unwrapping a gift from nature. 2. Sunlight is your master key. The sun is your plant's personal trainer. No light, no fight. Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Not filtered, not partial shade, direct. Take a day to watch how the sunlight moves across your space. That spot where the sun lingers longest, that's your green gold mine. The VMAX secret. Apartment dweller? Don't worry. Balconies, sunny windowsills, and rooftops are your secret weapons. Even a single sunny ledge can host a tomato or chili plant that thrives. Proverb of the day. A seed without the sun is a king without a crown. Master the sun, and you master your garden. 3. Feed the soil, not just the plant. Your plant is a reflection of your soil's soul. Forget chemical fertilizers for a second. What your plants really crave is living soil, rich, organic, and full of microlife. Think compost, worm castings, and a fluffy, well-aerated loam. Soil isn't just dirt. It's an underground universe, a living, breathing ecosystem where roots dream and microbes sing lullabies. The VMAX secret. Start a kitchen compost bin. Banana peels, coffee grounds, veggie scraps. Yesterday's trash becomes tomorrow's tomato triumph. Why it works. Healthy soil builds strong roots. Strong roots grow resilient plants. Resilient plants laugh in the face of pests. 4. Water like a monk. Too little, they thirst. Too much, they drown. The middle path is the secret crown. This one's ancient. Buddhist monks used to water bonsai trees 1 careful cup at a time. Why? It wasn't just about hydration. It was a ritual of mindfulness, observation, and care. Water early in the morning, not at night. Aim for the roots, not the leaves. Drench the base, skip the shower for the foliage. The VMAX secret. Stick your finger an inch into the soil. If it's dry, water. If it's moist, hold off. Tune in. Feel it. Become one with the dirt. Bonus wisdom. Mulch with straw, dry leaves, or coconut husk. It keeps the moisture in, blocks weeds out, and invites earthworms to host their epic underground dance parties. 5. Love every leaf. Talk to your plants. Sing to them. Not because they need it, but because you do. Sounds odd. Maybe. But plants are sensitive creatures. They respond to your energy, your attention, your care. Touch them with curiosity. Observe them with patience. Name them if you like. I once named a tomato plant Gladiator. He survived a storm, a caterpillar invasion, and my wildly inconsistent watering schedule, and still delivered 7 juicy fruits. The VMAX secret. Spend 5 quiet minutes each day just being with your plants, not pruning, not watering, just watching. You'll begin to notice the tiny shifts, drooping leaves, hidden pests, blooming flowers. This is when you truly become the garden's guardian. Final thoughts. You're not just growing veggies, you're growing you. A garden isn't just a hobby. It's a classroom, a mirror, a therapist. Every seed is a whisper of hope. Every sprout is a promise. Every failure is a teacher. Every harvest, a celebration. Let me share a little secret. The first time you taste a tomato that you grew, something changes. Your taste buds wake up. Your heart swells. Your soul smiles. You realize, I created life. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Grab an old bucket, scoop in some soil, drop in a seed, begin. Because you're not just growing food, you're growing a revolution. And it all starts with one small leaf.